Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about MODOC Campground. But please like and subscribe. And you want to stay till the end because I am cooking on this one another delicious meal. Welcome to Travels Are Us. Look at the view we have. Just sit here and enjoy ourselves. Very beautiful. Just sit back and just enjoy the place. Let me tell you a little bit about what's going on. Hello folks, welcome to MODOC Campground. Decided to come out here and check it out. It's in South Carolina, off of the big dam out here, Strom Thurmond's dam that was created a while back. Very beautiful, so I hope you enjoy it and stuff. We're doing a walk through the park this morning. We arrived yesterday afternoon. It was a long drive, but it was enjoyable. Only driving 60 miles an hour. We got on our Tab 320S. So later on I'll show you a picture of the Tab. But again, we're out here camping, enjoying ourselves, having a good time. This is a very pretty park. As you can see, we're doing just a stroll on the main drag of the main street out here. Just walking to see what we find. See what type of adventure we can start today. Very wooded. Today is kind of warm and very damp. Humid out here. But again, it's not crowded, which is nice. Kind of empty today. We've only seen about three campers and then one tenter. And I believe there's only like 60 slots out here, 60 approximately. I'll let you know later on how many there are. There goes Carmen and Beamer leaving me behind. They seem to be in a rush, but that's okay. I'm just enjoying this beautiful view out here. And these little pine trees. Nice place. Sometimes you just need to get away and just enjoy yourself. Enjoy nature. And that's what we're kind of doing. You got some people out there in their small golf cart. Guess they're working on the place. This is how when you drive in. Beautiful. Peaceful. Keep walking around and see what we find out here. The dump is over there. Here goes where you register. It says campsites per night per unit, 14 days limit, $18 to $28. Really inexpensive. Hey folks. Nice place to walk around. I'll show you a map later on of the place. Again, it's not that crowded. And we're about 5 miles from the dam. But it's part of this Corps of Engineers, bunch of Corps of Engineers site locally. So you can find a place out here if you just search recreation.gov. You can find a nice campsite. Hello folks. The MODOC Campground is located 5 miles from the Thurman Lake Visitor Center and Dam and just south of MODOC, South Carolina. Within the campground, there's 2 peninsulas extending out into the lake, each with waterfront site and beautiful expansive views of the lake and surrounding forest. There is approximately 70 campsites. There are washers and dryers, as well as a beach and a place to bathe. Beautiful place. Here it goes. Wow, here goes Beamer. Oops, let's see if we can see him. He has to take a rest. He's not used to all this walking. But here goes one of the bathrooms. Over at our location, there is a bathroom, a toilet. Let's take a look at this one. And a shower. Let's take a look at this one here. Looks like there's a washing machine there. Washing machine and a dryer. Let's see what it costs. It's only $1. Not bad. Not bad at all. This one's one of the older Corps of Engineers. I'm used to going to some of them that are very up to date. Here goes the men's restrooms over here. Let's take a quick look. See how this place looks. This is actually one of the showers. Not bad. And over here, see what's on this side. Ah, it's the restroom. It's very clean. The place is very affordable. You could come out here, as I showed you earlier, where you could turn around and camp out here. And then they also have a washer and dryer for $1. But you can only stay here for a maximum of 14 days. According to their chart that they had out there. And here goes the wooded area behind it. Very clean and nice. Here they seem to have overflow parking. I'm not sure what this is over here. Then walk further down. There's some pipe sticking out there. I'm wondering if that's like the septic field. There's another gate here for entrance. Oh, those are for the sites 1 through 19. It looks like going down this side. And then we have site 20 to 43 going down the other way. Here goes the maintenance crew doing their job. And another open field. Oh, and here goes another open field. Actually, this is the dump site. And if we keep going straight, it looks like it will take us to the boat ramp. And this is the dump site right here. There goes Carmen and Beamer leaving me behind like always, but that's okay. I'll catch up. Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Where We Cook in front of our Cap 320S. I'm glad you're here, and I hope you enjoy this meal. This meal is actually going to be some wild rice, and we have our cooking equipment here, which is our rice cooker. Make it very easy when you're camping, especially in a NuCamp, because you have electrical outlets. So it is excellent if you go to a place that has these outlets where you can cook. Now what I'm cooking is jasmine rice, and this jasmine rice is a package that we purchased, and it takes about 15 minutes according to the instructions here to cook. Again, it's going to be simple camping cooking. Start off with our rice. Wow, you can see this. Very beautiful. Actually, let me bring it over to you. Actually, some brown rice mixed in with white rice and some red rice. A little bit different. We've never had this before. Keep going on water. Going in. Let me mix it a little bit. Connect it. Just turn it on. Simple cooking. Let me add some seasoning to that. Of course, we have some salt. Open it up a little bit bigger. Oh, actually, this is the pepper. A little bit of salt. Mix it. And then a little bit of garlic or onion powder. And now mix it. It should take approximately 15 minutes to cook. Now, let's go on to cook our sausage. We have here some sweet Italian sausage. Take it. Listen to how that sounds. And put this to the side here. Well, we're back. We've been cooking for a few minutes, and now let's add the vegetables, really the peppers and the onions. And let those items cook for a little bit. Wow, look at how beautiful this looks. So delicious. It smells so good. Look at these yellow peppers. Wow. Of course, this is going to be a great meal. So, and then camping and cooking goes together. You go out there, you cook out there when you're camping out in the open. Makes it such a great day. Look at these peppers. Wow. Now, of course, I'm going to actually put a couple of jalapenos in here. Look at that. Let those jalapenos cook for a while. Put this last jalapeno in place. Look at it. Just squeeze it in there. And let all this cook. And right now you see how beautiful it's seared. Let it cook some longer and then we'll be right back. Make sure that you turn it constantly so you can get each side to cook. And it smells very, very good. I recommend you go out here and go grilling while you're out there camping. Now look at the size of this grill, very small, perfect for our small camper. Everything we do, we keep it at very small intervals. We try not to get big items. We actually haven't been camping for a while. Last time we were camping, we were down in Florida, and then we turned around and started getting our camping stuff ready just not too long ago. So I recommend you go out there and start camping and taking your family. What we're doing right now is the peppers have been cooked. The actual sausage, has been cooked, so we just wrapped it up to keep them warm. However, we took the peppers out and I'm putting them back on the grill so they could cook. They were cooking a little bit too fast, so I took them off to give the sausage time to cook. Well, folks, you can't have a good meal without an avocado. Let's cut this one up. Wow. Look at that avocado. It looks delicious. Let's get this all ready. Loosen that up. Here goes the rice. Few scoops of that. Look how good it looks. And this is some wild rice, a mixture of different rices. A little bit in there. Let's get some over here too. Wow, that looks good. And this is part of camping. You go out there and enjoy yourself, cook the meal, relax. Wow, that's plenty of rice. Look at that, how delicious that looks. Right there. Now let's get a little bit of sausage. These, look at that. Wow. That's what you do. You go out and enjoy your meals. That pepper. This pepper looks delicious. Another pepper. Let's drop that over here. Gorgeous. Grab a couple of yellow bell peppers or orange bell peppers. A few onions. Let's grab that. Wow. Let's drop some over here. You always have the meal with those that you care to be with. Let's grab a few onions. Wow. It looks delicious. Try some. Wow, that is great. Buen provecho. To thank you for watching, and please go out camping. Be safe, take care of each other, help each other out, and please provide a comment if you have anything to say. Thank you.